Okay, this video is going to be super quick. It is a tutorial about sharps and flats. I'll do a quick review. This is part 2 of the other video, Learn All the Notes on the Fretboard. So real quick, there's 7 letters in the musical alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then they repeat. We know from the other video, B and C and E and F are 1 fret apart. All others are 2 frets. Okay, if I use some words in this that I'm not defining or you don't understand, go back and watch the other video, the part 1 of this. Okay, so this is your E string. All right, E to F, that means F is here because it's 1 fret. G, A, B, C, D, E. Starts over, here's 12th fret, F, G, okay? So again, if I'm moving too fast, it means you didn't watch the other video, so go back and watch that, okay? Really simple. What is a sharp? A sharp looks like this. It's not a hashtag, it's a sharp, and it means raise note 1 fret on guitar. That's what it means. It means go up a half step. So up 1 half step. Again, if you don't know what that is, check the other video. So, this note right here, nothing's being played on it. It is, if we're using sharps, it's an F sharp. Because we took the F and went up 1 fret. 1 half step, F sharp. So this note is going to be, we're going up, right? It's going to be G sharp, that's right. A sharp. B, if we raised it, we could have a B sharp, right? But that would be a C, because B and C are already 1 fret apart from each other. So you can call it B sharp if you want to be annoying, or just have fun with your music nerd friends like I do. Anyways, this is C sharp, D sharp, etc. Alright, so now what about flats? Well, put in the natural notes again. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, etc. A flat looks like a squished B, right? And that lowers a note 1 half step, which is 1 fret on the guitar. So this note here is now a G flat. This note here is an A flat, right? Pretty simple. B flat, D flat, E flat. That's it. So now you notice that some of these notes have 2 names, and they do. They're called enharmonic. I'll try to spell it. I think I did it. Enharmonic. When a note can have 2 different names. So E, F, G, let's just do the beginning. This note right here, if we call it from the sharp side, it's F sharp. If we call it from the flat side, it's a G flat. So it has 2 names. It could be named either. And which one it is named depends on the key generally, which is another whole, it's a couple topics there. And not the point of this. The point is sharps and flats on the guitar. Okay? So I think that should really do it. A sharp raises it a half step. A flat lowers it a half step. And that's really it. So go ahead and I'll put a link in. You can download these just like the other video. Go ahead and make your own fretboard charts. Doing it yourself is so much better than just printing out a chart and trying to memorize it. If you want to memorize something, grab a pen and do it. You will map it in your brain and you'll learn it. So it'll be fantastic. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching, y'all. Talk to you later.